welcome back, Sowson here. Today, it's a new year and I'm going to show you some brand new recipes. You're going to like this one. It is a baked chicken roast. Gorgeous vegetables. It should take a little over an hour to make. You will love it. Come on, let's start cooking. Starting with our chicken portions, I've had marinade for about an hour or so in the fridge with a touch of salt, pepper and paprika. But I'm not finished. I'm going to show you a little bit more. I'm going to put all these gorgeous ingredients in my blender, then I'm going to put it all over the chicken. You're going to see it and you're going to love it. Come a little closer. Here we go. Okay, we're just going to start with our parsley. It is the curly parsley. You can use the Italian. 1 red capsicum. 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger. Lemon juice. 1 to 2 lemons. Salt. Oh, this one's pepper, sorry. And here's your salt. I'm also going to add a drizzle of olive oil. Lid on. Baked chicken without the baked vegetables don't work. So I've got pumpkin potatoes and onions, and I have left all the skin on all the vegetables. It will hold together better in the oven and will also keep its flavours. Making sure you brush it all over the vegetables and the chicken. Turning it over at the same time. The smell is gorgeous. You can smell all the garlic, the ginger. It's coming straight through. I've preheated my oven to 200. Could take a little over an hour, but it's all ready for baking. Hey everyone, it's almost finished. It's taken an hour and a half. It's gorgeous, it's delicious. I have family and friends coming over and you'll have a look, you'll see it's gorgeous. You'll love it, just in time for New Year's Eve. Absolutely gorgeous. I've got 2 trays, not 1. Oh, it smells amazing. Wow, my family and friends are going to love this. And this is just one main meal that I've cooked up for them. There's a lot more coming. It's time for me to go now. Please like and subscribe, get on that notification button and get yourself started to all of my delicious recipes. This is one of them and it's a beauty. Until then, God bless everyone. Goodbye and have an amazing day. Goodbye. I wonder if they'll notice if I take one of these. I'll give it a go. Wow. It's good. Got it all over my mouth, but it's good. Bye everyone.